Hey everyone, welcome to the Money Mentor Hub. Ever wondered if it's possible to get rich starting from absolutely nothing? Today, we're unveiling the secrets that can transform your financial future. Stick around because I'll share 8 powerful steps to go from zero to wealth. Ready to change your life? Let's dive in. The journey to wealth starts in your mind. You need to believe that you can achieve financial success. Start thinking like a millionaire. Transform your thoughts from "I can't" to "I will." Remember, wealth starts in the mind before it manifests in your bank account. Budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about making smart decisions with your money. Track your income and expenses diligently. Use budgeting apps or a simple spreadsheet to see where your money is going. This is your financial blueprint. Before you pay your bills or buy that new gadget, set aside a portion of your income for savings. Start with 10%, but even 5% or $20 a week can make a difference. Automate your savings to make it effortless. Chapter 4. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start small and gradually build up. It's about peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for unexpected expenses. Chapter 5. Create multiple income streams. Relying on a single paycheck is risky. Diversify your income sources. Consider side hustles, investments, or starting a small business. The rich often have multiple streams of income. Explore options that align with your skills and interests. Chapter 6. Learn high-income skills. Invest in yourself by learning skills that can earn you $10,000 a month or more. Think about coding, copywriting, or digital marketing. These skills are in high demand and can dramatically increase your earning potential. Chapter 7. Network with the right people. Surround yourself with successful, like-minded individuals. Join online communities, attend seminars, and connect with mentors. Networking can open doors to opportunities you never imagined. Chapter 8. Invest wisely. Don't just save, invest. Put your money to work by investing in stocks, real estate, or mutual funds. Diversify your investments to minimize risk. Start small and grow your portfolio over time. Bonus tip. How to supercharge your growth. As promised, here's the bonus tip. Consider automating your investments. Platforms like robo-advisors can optimize your portfolio, ensuring your money grows even while you sleep. This means less stress and more growth. And there you have it. 8 secrets to get rich from zero. Start applying these strategies today and watch your financial future transform. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and share it with anyone who could benefit. Let's build a future of financial freedom together.